It's January 1st, and you're sprinting into the gym, fueled by the noble dream of a six-pack. By February 1st, the only thing you're lifting is the TV remote. Sound familiar? Let's face it, New Year's resolutions are like fireworks, bright, loud, and gone before you know it. But what if we told you that 90 days is all it takes to make your goals stick permanently? Stay tuned, because today, we'll crack the science behind mastering your resolutions so you can thrive in 2025. Welcome to 90 Days Better, the channel that covers transformative habits for self-improvement and personal growth. In this video, we're diving into the neuroscience, psychology, and time-tested strategies behind setting and sticking to your New Year's resolutions. Whether you're focused on fitness, relationships, or financial goals, we'll outline a 90-day roadmap to success. And if you stick around, we'll share a surprising fun fact about how one small habit can multiply your productivity tenfold. Let's begin. The sad truth is, over 80% of resolutions fail, and it's not because people lack motivation, it's because they rely on it too much. Studies show that the brain is wired for short-term rewards, which is why grandiose, year-long goals often quickly fall apart. In contrast, 90-day sprints align with the brain's natural cycle of habit formation. By focusing on this manageable time frame, you can sidestep the burnout and make 2025 the year you finally thrive. Let's break down exactly how to do it. The first week is where most people falter. The antidote? Clarity, simplicity, and commitment. Start by writing down one clear, measurable goal. For instance, instead of get fit, write complete 20 workouts in January. Or instead of make more money, write learn a high-income skill by March. We have a video link for that one in the description. Next, identify the keystone habits that support your goal. For fitness, it could be meal prepping or scheduling workouts. Use tools like time blocking to carve out dedicated time for your habits. Finally, track your progress using apps like Habitica or Notion. This structured approach transforms ambition into action. By week 2, the initial excitement fades and resistance sets in. This is where discipline outperforms motivation. Start practicing the 2-minute rule. Make it so easy to begin that you can't say no. This could be anything from busting out your running shoes and committing to just 2 minutes of jogging, to completing a chapter in the book you're reading. Often the hardest part is starting. Embrace strategies like habit stacking, where you pair your new habit with an existing one. For instance, meditate for 5 minutes right after brushing your teeth or listening to an educational podcast in the gym. Equally important is learning to adapt. If you miss a day, don't spiral into guilt. Research shows that consistency over time matters more than perfection. This phase is all about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. By month 2, your efforts start paying off. This is where the science of habit automation comes into play. Neuroscience reveals that habits transition from the prefrontal cortex, the decision-making part of your brain, to the basal ganglia, the brain's autopilot center. In simpler terms, actions that once felt hard now feel natural. This is the ideal time to level up. If your goal was to save money, use apps like Mint or You Need a Budget to analyze spending patterns and set higher savings targets. For fitness, increase intensity or try new workouts. Reinforce your commitment by visualizing the results. Studies show that vividly imagining your success strengthens the neural pathways needed to achieve it. See our video on how to manifest success in 90 days for more. Celebrate milestones. Whether it's losing weight, repairing a relationship, or boosting your savings account, these wins create a positive feedback loop, fueling further progress. And now for that fun fact we promised. Did you know that sticking to just one habit can trigger a ripple effect, improving unrelated areas of your life? For example, studies show that regular exercise not only boosts physical health, but also improves sleep quality, productivity, and even financial decisions. This phenomenon, known as the keystone habit effect, highlights the power of starting small to achieve massive results. And here's a bonus fact. Studies in behavioral psychology reveal that it takes, on average, 66 days for a new habit to become automatic. However, the time frame can vary depending on the complexity of the habit. Simple tasks, like drinking water daily, may take only 20 days, while more challenging goals like exercising regularly might require 100 days or more. By targeting 90 days, you're optimizing for habit formation across a broad range of goals, setting yourself up for sustainable, long-term success. Fast forward to the end of 90 days, and you're a different person. Think back to who you were on January 1st. Uncertain, scattered, maybe even stuck. Now compare that to the disciplined, focused individual you've become. The science of neuroplasticity proves that these changes aren't temporary. You've literally rewired your brain for success. Whether your goal was financial freedom, a healthier body, or a stronger relationship, you've laid the foundation for long-term growth that lasts more than a single month or year. But for the rest of your life, here's to a better you. If you enjoyed the high-quality content, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out our full productivity playlist. From health and wellness to fitness and finance, 90 Days Better covers a wide range of transformative habits aimed at maximizing your growth. After all, you could be just one video away from changing your life for the better. Check the links in the description for tools and resources to help you thrive in 2025. And until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.